Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Chuck with Chuck's Hobby Spot. How's everybody doing this week? Well, I've got a small announcement at the end of this video, and I've also got an update on the Novas, so I will let you know if it's gonna make it to Vegas. So for the IPMS show, so I'm gonna make it to Vegas. Is my Nova? That's the question. Okay, but we're gonna try hard. We're gonna try to get it there. We got a month. So anyway, that's not completely what this video is about. This video is actually about a birthday gift I got, and I totally appreciate it. It's a friend of mine at work. I took Monday off because it was my 50th birthday, so I took that off. And I come to work, and on my wall bench there was a note said, "Look in the third drawer of the toolbox." And then I had this sitting in there. A buddy of mine ended up buying me this kit, and I've already opened it just to for the video, because at first I wasn't gonna do what's in the box, but you know what? I think I'm gonna do it because this kit's pretty cool. So I was blown away. I was like, hey, he's a model builder too, so it's kind of cool because he's a welder, I'm a welder, we're both model builders. We get along really good, you know. We've got a good weld area. So anyway, thank you, Brock. This was an awesome gift, and let's check it out. So, and don't be mad at me because you're gonna want this model kit. So I went ahead and took the plastic off everything so we can kind of see, and we'll use the back of a box or something so we can reduce the light a little bit, but I'll take it all out of here. Oh, sorry guys, don't click off my video. So we will start by using the back of this box, and we'll look at this body. This body is like pristine, man. Check it out. It's gonna make for a nice paint job. Pretty cool. I'll show you guys the decals in a minute. We'll look at the chrome tree. Exhaust, looks like the radiator or the coolers or something. Tamiya always does an awesome job on their model kits. This is kind of a simple kit, but it does have an engine, so. The brakes are pretty detailed. Can we see them? There we go. That makes a difference. I broke this right here, but that's okay. Look at that. A pretty neat kit. I'm gonna start building more of these. I enjoy these. The tires. Everybody likes to see the tires. Road tires. Road racing tires, really. The clear parts, which they're very nice. I don't want to open them, so. And the black tree. I'll show you one side and then the other side of this. So this is probably, oh, there's the bucket there. Let's flip it around here. All right, let's check out the decals. This is my favorite part. first one. Here's another decal sheet. In a second, I'll show you the Nova and where I'm at. The Nova's coming along. It's just got a lot of unexpected stuff. Window mask, man. This is what I like about these. The window mask. What else do we got here? Another set of decals, which these are the tire decals. I don't know if you can see them. I don't know if I should take this off or not. There, I'll give you that much. And the typical Tamiya instructions, which I don't think I'm going to go through all this. Just tells you about the car and all that. And yeah, that's it for this kit. But I'm going to go ahead and show you the Nova and where I'm at with it and what I'm doing with it. Let's bring her over. Everybody's seen this. So the paint on the Nova came out beautiful. But what I did do, the motor here, it's all done. I don't know if anybody's seen it completed, but I did have the air cleaners on it, and I took them off so I can start mocking the motor up. But yeah, these motors are great, man. So with the chassis on this, because from here to here, that wouldn't fit the tires in the body from the frame, so I cut the wheel well out and moved it in, so I had some room here, so I didn't have, you know, like 1/8 of an inch sitting there, a regular platform. I just moved them all in. So I did that, finally get that all together, and I still got a little bit of sanding to do, get the trademarks off in here. And I had to take the motor mounts out and the cross member out, and I'm going to relocate the cross member in order to get the motor in. So there's a lot of work that goes into this. And I used the model car muse, Doug White. He had a video of cutting this and using a wood burning tool or slash soldering iron is what mine is. So I was able to melt it and fuse it in, and then I backfilled it, and it worked pretty darn nice, man. So it's not all done yet, but it's getting there, and I was able to kind of plastic weld it, really. So it came out, I don't know, pretty acceptable to me. I mean, I think after this is all done, I think it's going to be good, but I'm a long ways away from getting this thing done. I mean, can I do all this in a month? I mean, I'm kind of lazy, so I'm not so sure, but I do have to get a hold of Iceman because I have to put electric fans in here because I don't think I can get a fan blade in here, so that I do have to do. So I'm going to go ahead and probably get, right after I get off of here, I'm going to go ahead and get with him and order the electric fans and probably a few more things. But so my announcement is our channel finally is eligible to monetize. I think probably after this particular video, I'm gonna monetize and I plan on doing a lot of stuff. I might even do, once everything's accepted, I might even do a giveaway just to celebrate our monetization of the channel. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway. So it will be in the very near future. I don't know what I'm going to give away. I don't know if it's going to be 1 kit or 2 kits or 3 kits or like I did before, but I have to look into the shipping stuff, so it might just have to be in a United States thing to be eligible for this. But I'm not sure. So, but anyway, with that being said, why do you guys watch this crap? I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, everything you guys have done, the support you guys have given my channel. It's been awesome. All my close friends that have made this possible, I just want to say thanks, you know. Lucas C, Matt, he's helped me out a lot. Brian, James, the autistic modeler, Louis, Brian from BG Model Works, he's helped me out a lot, give me a lot of advice. All you guys out there that's helped me, I really appreciate it. Mark Batson for putting on the build challenges and all that. I mean, I really appreciate it. You guys have done a ton for this channel. I mean, within a year, it's doubled the subscribers, and I plan on sticking around and making this next level, guys. So I just wanted to say thanks. So with that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and liking is important. So I learned that from those guys too. So, and again, why do you guys watch this crap? And I'll see you in Vegas, and I'll have a video out soon, real soon. All right, so you guys have a great week and take care. Bye.